Okay, good morning students. Next exercise 4.3. The domain of Find the domain of the following functions. Tan inverse of square root of 9 minus x square, first subdivision. Then solution, first subdivision, tan inverse of square root of 9 minus x square. Okay, then tan x limit minus infinity to plus infinity implies the angle of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 only the angle. It's not possible pi to minus pi. Okay, then between the angles of include minus pi by 2 by plus pi by 2 only. Then given the function is 9 minus x square is equal to 0. Then inside of the root, then 9 is equal to the minus x square right hand side 9 plus x square. Then x is equal to square root of 9. Then root of x is equal to plus or minus 3, that is x value. Okay, then one number line, then infinity to plus infinity. Okay, then one value minus 3, another one value plus 3. Okay, the between values only the limit. Then another one value substitute the any one value below above 3 and above minus 3. Example, 9 minus x square root of, then substitute 4, 9 minus 4 square root of 9 minus 16. Then square root of 9 minus 16 is minus 7. Then minus is only the inside of the root, minus imaginary value. It's not possible. Same is negative, is take negative, the square is positive, the same value. Okay, that value is only the minus 3 substitute 0, then plus 3 is substitute 0, that's all. Then another any value substitute is not possible. Okay, therefore the domain minus 3 to plus 3. Okay, minus 3 to plus 3 only the domain, that's all, the first sum. Then second subdivision, the same, 1 by 2 tan inverse of 1 minus x square minus pi by 4 minus 5 by 4 is not true. Okay, it's not true. The same, tan x is the limit minus infinity to the plus infinity, the value implies the angle of minus pi by 2 plus 5 by 2 only the angle. Okay, that between the values of angle, then between minus pi by 2 the by plus pi by 2. Okay, that the root is not minus x square is equal to 0. Then 1 minus x square, the x square equal to 1, then x is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, 1 minus x square equal to 0, then x the minus x square plus x square, then x root of 1, then 1 square root of 1 is 1, plus or minus 1. Okay, then same, there you draw the one number line, infinity to plus infinity, minus 1 plus 1. Okay, minus 1 plus 1, any one value you substitute, then 2 substitute, the simplify, 1 minus x square equal to 0, sorry, 1 minus x square, 1 minus 2 square is minus 1. Anyone is not, is the only the not root. Okay, square root is only the function 1 minus x square, that of the range, the domain, anyone is substitute, then r real value, any one value substitute, take the values of real, that's all, the domain is real number, that's all. Okay, the first subdivision over, so first sum over. Then second sum, find the value of, listen, second sum, find the value of first subdivision, tan inverse of tan pi by 4, tan inverse of tan of pi by 4. Okay, then one roots, one function, tan inverse of tan x, tan inverse of tan x is equal to x belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus by 2. That tan inverse of tan x equal to x, now minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 the value, that values of not pi by 4 is the not pi by minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, you change the value, listen, equal tan inverse of tan of, then change the value, that between angles only, pi plus pi by 4. Okay, pi plus pi by 4 by 4 pi are 4 into pi, 4 pi plus pi 5 pi. Okay, then tan of pi plus theta is equal to tan theta. Tan of pi plus theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, then tan inverse of tan of pi plus pi by 4, tan pi by 4. Okay, the tan inverse of tan inverse of tan x is tan inverse of tan x, tan inverse of tan x is equal to x. That value pi by 4 is the minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, the between value. Okay, tan inverse of tan is cancel, then pi by 4, that answer. Okay, first subdivision over. Second subdivision, listen, second subdivision, tan inverse of tan of minus pi by 4 6, tan inverse of tan of minus pi by 6. One condition, tan inverse of tan of x is equal to x belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That pi by 6 is a 30 degree, 30 minus 30, that is a pi by 2 90 degree, that is between the value. Then another one, tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. That formula is 11th standard. Tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, then equal to tan inverse of tan of minus pi by 6 is minus tan of pi by 6. Okay, then tan inverse of tan, then minus tan cancel, the answer is minus okay, tan cancel, that minus common is minus tan inverse of tan pi by 6. The tan cancel, minus pi by 6, that belongs to minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. The answer is minus pi by 6. That's all. The second Roman over.